All right, what we just put up? We got the
A1.
Okay, how many A1s we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, so that's we're supposed to have 9. Another way to find out how many you have, you go to the engineer cover sheet and you find out what page the truss is identified as page 1, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go see how many they say we should have.
So this is like the index.
It's the index.
Right.
How many they say we have?
10.
Okay, so let's count it again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says 10. So you counted 9, so that's why you always look at this here. Okay, that's A1 truss, right? Tells you what it looks like. Okay, and then it also tells you how many quantity you're gonna have, and here it shows 10. That's the number to count. All right, so when we go out there, you should be able to count 10 of these. How many A2s? Count it. Don't do it with your eyes. Count it with your hands. How many A2s we got?
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
23?
Yeah.
See, let's see what A. He's here. That's 17 over here. So we're gonna figure out why they gave us more. Maybe this is a different shape or size right here. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we got 23. Let's see if they have out there. We may be so short some trusses.
Right.
Okay. All right. Go and help him. I'm gonna count these over here. Go and help him with that. I'm gonna count these over here. All right. So all the trusses are always gonna have an identifier underneath. See, that's A1 there. So.
Ready?
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. All right, we got 10 there. Let me go back in here. Somehow they say we got 23 on the page, but I got to figure out how many we got out here, Rodney. Go to the page. Yeah. All right, so we have of A2. Okay, and A3s we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see if we got, what else do we have here? Okay, page 21, I got a truss here. It's identified as GE1. That's on page 21. I know that hasn't been installed yet because that's going to be on the end of A1, the first truss. So 21, what does that truss look like? So this is what that truss looks like. It tells me I have 1. So I'm gonna look for a truss that has this kind of feature and this kind of look. Maybe out there. So you see how that looks, right? Okay, let's see if I got it out here. Oh, there it is. I would open my eyes. That's the truss right there. That's the truss right there. You see that? Remember that picture I just showed you guys? That's it right there. All right. Peace.